Warm welcome, everybody. Thank you for joining. Get yourself ready with a notebook, a pencil, or a pen. Whatever you choose to write with is fine. This is math from the void. Math coming at you pretty much out of nowhere. And today we have another quick multiple choice problem as part of the multiple choice MC Madness mini-series here as we really ramp things up pretty much the last weekend going into the AP Calculus exam. So if you're doing some last minute cramming, I know the last thing you need is a video for you to watch, but maybe you can see this as like sort of breaking up your studying time so that it's not as dry and intense, even though my voice is not particularly animated in these. All right, give yourself about 2.5 or so minutes to solve this one before you come back and check to see how it's done here. And here we go. We're going to find which point on this curve, it's a cubic curve, so it's going to do something like that. Points on the curve which has a tangent that is parallel to y equals 3. Now this is most interesting because y equals 3 is a straight line. It's a horizontal line, obviously. And the slope of that is 0 because it's horizontal. If we want to find what points have a parallel tangent, that basically means we're looking for horizontal flat points on the original curve as well. Okay, so we need to take the derivative. Of course, there's no surprise there. This is a calculus course after all. 15x squared minus 24x minus 12. And we want to find when that's equal to 0. Now we can divide out the 3 to make life a little bit easier. And then we can solve this. We can just do some basic factoring here. So we're going to have negative 10 and positive 2. So that's going to leave us with x minus 2 and 5x plus 2 equals to 0, which means x equals 2, there will be a flat point there, and x equals negative 2/5, there will be a flat point there. You kind of can sort of guess that 2/5 is going to be involved here, right? It's pretty clear to tell. But since 2/5 is interesting, those are not negative. And what's also interesting is that the 2 should be positive. So from what I could tell so far, that's the only actual point on the curve with a slope of 0. So it would have to be this point. I mean, if process of elimination will help you get it done, that's great. Let's just double check that the y value is going to come out to 32. So we have 5 times 2 cubed minus 12 times 2 squared minus 12 times 2, and then plus 64. Pretty fat positive number. So we have 5 times 8 minus 12 times 4 minus 12 times 2 plus 64. So let's kind of put those together right now and make 40. And then we can put these together and make negative 8. So 40 minus 8, yes, that is indeed 32. Okay, so your answer is B. Very short there, but you can see that using the process of elimination carefully got me directly to my answer after I took a derivative and found the critical numbers, the x values for which the derivative is 0. On the AP exam, you generally won't be able to eliminate all of the wrong answers from that, but we could use some educated guessing to eliminate some wrong answers. Pretty short one, like I said. That's enough blab out of me. See you guys next time in the void.